Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor at 7:33 in the morning. Apologise for the slight delay. We're adding new services at the moment, and just like everything, there's always technical issues, even if there shouldn't be. Brand new equipment, things never go smoothly. But nevertheless, thank you very much for joining me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's a red day this morning. If you've not yet seen the 24-hour stream, we are now upgrading the service. Let me share with you. This is what's been going on this morning in the service. There, you can see a lot more, a lot better quality, as you can see there. So, what I'm going to do right now, I have to do this live, is I'm going to focus into that screen. Let me just see if I can do that a moment. Okay, I'm going to try and zoom in, so you should see a difference in a few moments' time. That screen should appear clearer. Let's see if it does. Trying to make it look better. I'm going to try and zoom in, so you should see a difference in a few moments' time. That screen should appear. Okay. I'll just check if we're... Okay, things should hopefully things should improve a bit more as well. Just trying to, this is for those that want to watch the 24-hour stream. We're trying to make it better, and some things you can't do unless you are live. There we go. That's even clearer. That's better. Awesome. I wonder if I should zoom in on that. There you go. I've just zoomed in a bit. Just making these adjustments. Can't do them until we go live, unfortunately. So there we go.
Impinch, Pi. I lost on FSR, so I need a win.
There you go. This is the new service we're providing 24 hours a day soon. At the moment, it's 12 hours. But anyway, Sensei, I've just done the timestamps. I didn't realize they were separate. I just looked down on the Discord and I noticed that. So, yeah, I've just upgraded that. Apologies for not doing that straight away. I've just done it. Anyway, let me read all the comments this morning. Thank you for your understanding. We've just been making some tweaks here to try to improve things. Right. Let me come back into the main show. See who's with me. Let's read these comments. Hi all, back from vacation now. I know there's some issues with this, with the 24-hour stream audio wise, but we are working on that. Hopefully things will improve shortly. Good morning everyone. Eric B. Morning. Please put me on the list. GoDB, Martin, please put me on the list. I'm not adding any ones to the free list at the moment. It's too long, GoDB, because I don't want people waiting too long. So at the moment, I'm not putting any on the free list. You can do a super chat and it will be done today, but the free list is too long and I can't add any more to the free list. It would just be people are just waiting too long. So I don't want to do that. All right. I hope you understand that. Okay. Good day all. Wadey, good morning to you. Largo, good morning. Morning. Nonny, good morning. Ed Nevius, good morning to you. Octavio Garcia. Here we go. What have we got here? Oh, hang on. I lost on FSR, so I need a win. Okay, we can add this to the list. Here we go. This will go second today as a $5. There we go. This is IMPINJ, which is ticker symbol PI. PI. That is GoDB. GoDB, $5. Okay, that's second today. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Hi, Martin. When you get a chance, can you add the rest of the timestamps? You missed the last few. Yes, I did that. Thank you. Jason Davis, good morning to you. I did a super chat. Yep, just saw it. Morning, everyone. Yep, fantastic. Okay, let me check the list. Best YouTube live TV channel in the world. Thank you very much. And we're trying to improve things. We now have a much better 24-hour service. This is it running right now. There you go. It's getting better and better all the time. There is an issue with the sound, I know that, but I am working on it. Actually, it'd be interesting to see. Let me just compare the camera a second. Right. There you go. That's an interesting look. Right, what you're looking at now is a proper expensive camera, right? With proper lenses, focal points. See how it changes in focus. All right. That was a mirrorless camera. That looks incredible, right? Obviously, that's really good. Everything is crystal clear. It's sharp. It tunes in different places. And this is the new technology. This is on the 24-hour stream, and this is a camera about a third of the price. Still looks pretty good, doesn't it? Technology's improved, doesn't it? It's amazing. It's not as good, but it's very passable. Anyway, there you go. I love my Martyn Lucas TV. Yeah, I hope that it's a cable issue and the sound will get fixed tomorrow. I've just ordered several cables, so hopefully one of them will be the right one. Okay, I can't believe the amount of Virgin Galactic I hold compared to last year. Yes, that's the trouble when you chase the stock. It's up today 2% though, but yeah, you'll be very careful with that. Good morning all. Back to reality today. Tesla got another downgrade this morning along with Rivian. Let's have a look at that. Tesla's now 169. Yep, Tesla can go down to 110 in my opinion. I love my Martyn Lucas TV. Eric B, thank you very much indeed. Crazy volume OGOX short squeeze. Jason Davis. Right then, I've got some reviews that I did for you over the weekend. I hope you saw them. Let me make sure everyone's got their reviews. So who have we got here? Tomorrow night, we've got a Robinhood event. I haven't yet posted it, but that's tomorrow night. Yardstick has got a mug being made for Lance Strength. Some of you now have taken up this and got your free stocks. Here is USA. If you're Robinhood in the United States, here is your link for your free stocks. Let me give that to my Rumble audience this morning. Hang on a minute. I don't think I'm on Rumble this morning. I've missed a step out. This is because there's been so much going on. Go live. Yeah, that's right. I'm not. Okay, bear with me a second. With all these upgrades, there are a few things that are being missed. It's only me in the studio, so I have to do everything. So I apologize for that. Right now, public, yeah. Let me just go live. Okay. Edit destinations. Bring in my Rumble account. There's paid subscribers are waiting for the show, so I can't just ignore them, obviously. I'll come back to that in a second when it's populated. How many shares? Tilray got an upgrade today. Tilray, let's go and have a look at it. I'm not surprised. It's down slightly at the moment, though, but I'm expecting to see good things from Tilray now. Those of you who are in the UK, there was 3 of you, actually. I haven't got the names now because I'm logged into my US account, but there was 3 of you claimed your free stocks. Let me know what you got. I got $7 of Apple 3 times. I got $7 of Apple. So thank you very much for using my referral. Robinhood UK is now open and up and running. Can anyone tell me if you have the Robinhood app, and I know Sensei does, right? Are you able to do this? Right here. Okay, so if you click the little man on the right-hand side, this is for anyone in the UK who has a Robinhood account. You see where I've got my name, and it says Martyn Lucas and my little icon at the top. On the Robinhood UK, I don't have a pencil and I can't edit and put anything there. Can anyone else tell me if you've got Robinhood UK on the app, are you able to put an icon and a name in there? I can't put anything in there. So I'm talking to Sensei because I know he's got Robinhood, he's got UK, and I mean several of you have, but can anyone check for me on the right-hand side at the bottom of the app, the little man, the little head, the head and body, you click on it, so I've got that little pencil, you can see it just there, the little pencil, and I can change my icon. On the US one, I can do that. On the Robinhood UK, I can't do that. And I wonder if there's something wrong with the app, but perhaps if anyone could help me with that, that'd be great. Anyway, right. We're set up on Rumble now. Let me just add this. No matter how much planning you put into adding new equipment, it never goes to plan, ever. You plan it all out, you get all the equipment, and it still doesn't work. Anyway, it's always the same. Right, my channels. So, hopefully we're live now on Rumble. Okay, so I'm going to give my Rumble audience the link as well. This is the US. I claimed the UK code and I got $6 in Tesla. Thanks. Excellent. Brilliant. I've got a little plus and it takes me to a camera roll. You've got a little plus. Right. So it is the app then. Do you know what it is? I think the problem is I'm using the original app signing in and signing out. Whereas, Chris, are you using the app in the UK that you got through flight control? Do you know what I mean by that? There's an app. Robinhood are giving you an app to use like a beta version of the software of the app. Is that what you're using, or did you just go on the App Store and download it without the flight control? That makes sense? I think I'm using the original US app and it's not quite right and I'm missing bits. I've got a little plus. So yours is working. So I want to know how you are using the app. Is it just the American app on the App Store? Is it the flight control app? I think you've probably got that. No, Google Play. Okay, you're through Google. You're an Android. Okay. So Android's working then. That's different than I'm on an iPhone. Thanks for answering the question. I appreciate it. I really appreciate that. So for my US audience on Rumble now, here is the USA code if you want to get the free stocks. There you go. Now for the UK audience, here it is the UK audience. Good morning, Yardstick. I'm in the process of doing your mug for Lance Strength. Thank you very much. Opinion on Lucid, the EV company, getting a £1 billion investment. But yeah, that is more confirmation that Lucid is going private. There's no doubt in my mind about it that Lucid's going private, and that is rubbish for the investor. You don't want to be involved. Absolutely don't want to be involved. Lucid is, Peter Rawlinson destroyed it. He took all the money for himself, destroyed it. It's great to see Lucid up today, 16%, but it's no more than a trading account now. It's going to go private, I'm sure of it. And when that happens, shareholders get nothing. It's rubbish. I wouldn't have nothing to do with Lucid. It's a great car, but the company was built always to take it private. I don't like it. I think it's rubbish. Good morning, all. Good morning, Yardstick. How are you? Right. Now then, this morning, last night, Sensei made me some wonderful charts. Hang on. Wadey, I claimed UK code and I got $7.74 of J&J. Fantastic. Fantastic. Now, Wadey, are you on an iPhone or Google? An Android? Have you got the app? If you have got the app, are you on iPhone? I want to ask you the same question as I asked Chris a few moments ago. So yeah, if anyone's in the UK now and you've not yet claimed it, there's your free stocks. I've just dropped it in the chat. The UK Robinhood or the USA Robinhood. So Wadey, what have you got? So Sensei, did this for me. So Pfizer. I've got the app on iPhone. Fantastic. You've got the app on iPhone. Okay. So when you downloaded the app, did you just do it on the App Store, the regular App Store, or did you use, and I'm presuming the UK App Store, because you can change, obviously. Did you download it from the UK App Store, or did you use the flight control? It's a beta app which links to the App Store, which allows you to download a beta version of the app. So which app did you download? Yes, Robinhood works on web now. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. That's why everyone can get it now. So, Wadey, did you download the Robinhood app from the App Store, or did you do it through the flight control and then to the App Store. In other words, the flight control app from Robinhood allows you to get a beta version of an app. I want to know what you did, because I'm using the US app, and because of that, I don't think it's working properly. So I need to look at that. Anyway, while you're answering that question, I've got to do this. Pfizer, Sensei did some work for me, and I need to catch up with it. Pfizer. So let me make this now. Not sure. Think I just downloaded straight from App Store. You did. So maybe I need to go into the UK App Store. Maybe they've now done a different app. When it first came out, it was the same app, because it wouldn't allow me to download two different apps. Maybe they've released it on the UK App Store. Anyway, thank you for that. I will go and check that out. So here we go. I need to do this now. 21 minutes. And this is Pfizer PFE. Good morning, Momo the Great. How are you? Okay, here we go. Time now for a full technical chart analysis by Sensei Crypto on Pfizer. So now on with the video. Thank you, Sensei. Always a great job. Great job as always with Pfizer this morning. Scrub all that. That's rubbish. I don't know what I'm saying. I need to do that again. Time now for a full technical chart analysis from Sensei Crypto, a partner here on the show, this time on Pfizer. And now on with the video. Okay. Thank you, Sensei. Always a great job. If you'd like the links and further information on this stock and other things related, please click above my head, down below in the description, and over here, you'll find more information. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that was Pfizer. He did me a couple. These will go out later this morning. They are very, very timely. They need to go out. He also did VLD. This was done last night for this morning. I've not had a chance to do it. That's why I'm doing it now. Time for another technical chart analysis review by Sensei Crypto. This time we're looking at Velo 3D. And now on with the video. Thank you, Sensei. Another great job as always. If you'd like further information, click above my head, down below in the description, or over here and over here, I'll put more information. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, that was VLD. That will go out shortly. These are all charts done for you last night for today. Tilray. This is why today's show will be just after the bell, so I can get these out. Everyone needs these. Now time for another technical chart analysis from Sensei Crypto. This time we're talking Tilray Brands, ticker symbol TLRY. And now on with the video. Thank you, Sensei. Great job as always. If you want further information, click above my head, down below in the description, or over here, and you'll find more information. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that's Tilray. All this is coming out shortly. If you missed Sensei's show, you'll better see all this. Ali, that is that SPCE, is it? So FSR's next. These are charts that need to come out today, this morning, so they'll be done straight after the opening bell. I'll stop and get these out. Time for another technical chart analysis. Very timely, this one as well, for Fisker, ticker symbol FSR, just provided by Sensei Crypto to prepare you for the week ahead. And now, on with the video. Thank you, Sensei. Another great job. If you'd like further information, click above my head, down below in the description. Over here and over here, you'll find more information. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, and what else did he do? SPCE. SPCE. Time for another technical chart analysis provided by Sensei Crypto, a partner here on the show. And now, on with the video. Time for another technical chart analysis. Bloody hell. We'll try that again. Time for another technical chart analysis by Sensei Crypto, a partner here on the show. This time, thank you very much indeed.
It would be good to do a fundamentals.
Right. Okay, I'm on it, Wadey. I think you mentioned it what did you do? A comment. So I will put that on the list right now. Hang on then, here we go. Let me add that to the list. $5, it will go right there, just above Snowflake. This is Pfizer, which is PFE, Pfizer, and thank you. And this is Wadey. Okay, got it. Okay, we'll try again. Time for another technical chart analysis provided by Sensei Crypto. This time, Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. Big week ahead for Virgin Galactic. You're going to really need this one. And now, on with the video. Thank you, Sensei. Another great job as always. For further information, click above my head, down below in the description, and over here you'll find more information. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, that's SPCE. What was next? Sensei just put in £5 is more than $5. Thank you very much. He's absolutely right. Absolutely right. So in that case, then Pfizer goes to the top. He's absolutely right, of course. That is only fair. There you go. He'll be the next review this morning, right after this. There you go. Done. Oh, what else did you do? SPCE. I've done it all. Great. We're caught up. We've caught up. Thank you, Sensei. We've now caught up. So I can close that chat down. We are now up to date. Now then, I did have a friend request from somebody. Make it right. I did reply back to you. You are a member of the channel, but you must follow the information in the video. I'm going to give it to you now. Why and how to become a member. This will tell you how to become a member. All right. Okay. Here we go. Let me put this down now. There you go. I need to confirm it's you. Please put your username below any video, in a comment, in a chat, anywhere, just so I know it's you. Your username on Discord, that is. Right. Sensei Crypto, you're absolutely right. Potential reverse stock split between, yes. If anyone's got any confirmation of the reverse split, send it in. I'll put the information out. It's sending Fisker down the toilet.
Do you still play on reviewing Alaska Energy Metals?
Do you still plan, is that play, or do you still plan on reviewing Alaska Energy Metals? Alaska Energy Metals. Let me have a look. I didn't have that on the list. Let's have a look. Yes, I do. Yes, it's on the list. Now you've just bumped yourself up. $4. Sundays are better. You've now increased to $4, so yours will go up the list. At the moment, you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're now going to go up to 4th. You're now going up to 4th place. No more reviews, please. No more super chats. I can't take them. I don't want to leave anybody waiting. So please, no more super chats or anything for reviews. Let me get these done first. Appreciate you all, but I'd love to take the money, but I don't want to. I want to provide the service. So thank you. No more reviews, please. Good morning, Rise and Grind, Jarrett Sebri. Good morning to you. Yes, Sundays are better. That's now on the list. Thoughts on Berry? I'm afraid it's a members-only perk. I have to focus on my members. If you become a member, then, of course, I can do a review for you, but I can't focus on that. I need to focus on the members. Adam Kubi, good morning to you. Mr. Mankey, hello. How are you this morning? Right, Mr. Mankey, I think, are you one of the reviews I did? Let me just check. Hang on, let me go down the list. Hang on a minute. Mr. Jason Davis, I see you're in the chat today. So your core and main is done. You probably replied. You've probably already seen it. I just need to take it off the list. Okay, so here we go. This is how you find it. Jason Davis, go to YouTube. And you go Martyn Lucas. You can spell it correct if you want. There you go. And CNM. Core and main. And there is your video. You may have already seen it. I don't know. You may have already done a super thanks. I've already replied to you. I don't know. I can't remember now. I'm just making sure that I've told you. So share, copy link. So Jason Davis is your review. There's your review. Jason Davis. Let me just put your name to it so you can see it pop up. Here we go. Jason Davis, CNM. There is your review, sir. I can now take that off the list. If you want to do a super thanks, you may have already done it. I apologize, and I would have already replied to you, but there you go. If you want to promote the video, that's a super thanks. Then I'll pin it to the top, and it will promote the video because YouTube get money out of that. All right, so there we go. Let me take that off the list. Is Vincent Vosberg here this morning? Vincent Vosberg, are you here? Todd Fletcher, Jonathan Santos, Ahmed, Aki Saad, is John McGilvery, Bill Oberkirch, Tokash Charles, or Michelle? Are any of you in the chat right now? If so, let me know. Okay. Listed for, right, Spike Lee's, thank you. Right, stock news. Here we go. Stock news, just come in from one of our members. I'm in stock news. FSR potential stock split. Here we go. Thank you. I'm doing it. We're looking at it now. United States Securities Commission, Schedule 14A. Let me read this. Proxy, Philbro. Payment of filing fee, no fee. Preliminary proxy statement subject. Notice of special. We are cordially invited to attend a special meeting of FISCA held on Wednesday, April 24th. Live webcast, such meeting including German to prove purpose of potential issuance of more than 19 outstanding shares upon notes of adopted amendment. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much indeed. That's a very important statement. That's just come out, right? Thank you very much. FISCA. Yeah, we're going to report on that. Spike Lee's one of our members, one of our researchers sent it in. Thank you very much indeed. You've done a couple for me, General. That's right. I have done a couple, I think. Yeah. SM416. Good morning. I'll have some stuff scheduled next week. Quick question, because I know most of us Robinhood here. Do you fund once transferred become available straight away? I sent across because it's still not available. Funds, yeah, my funds are available straight away. I don't know if it's because I'm above 25,000. I don't know if it's because I'm a gold account, but yeah, if I put my funds in, I can put in $250,000. I can actually transfer $250,000 straight away, and it will be there. Yeah, absolutely. So I think it depends on if you are gold and you are margin and you are above 25,000. It's one of those things, or a combination of. Raymond Blitz, you saved my life, mate. How did I do that? How did I do that? You're not one of my members. What have I done? What have I done? I'd love to know. Anyway, so here we go. The time now is, we've got to do this quickly. This is not good news. My life, mate. How did I do that? How did I? So time. 36 minutes. 36. Whoops-a-daisy. 36 FSR. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Bad news potentially now for Fisker. Scary news indeed. We're down again and the stock is collapsing. Why? Many of you will probably be wondering why. Well, we can tell you exactly why. If you want to find out why, you know the rules by now. Tap the like button, share this out so more people get to hear about it. We want to take care of our members, alert you of a latest statement just come out. In fact, we have a Schedule 14A. You know what I'm talking about? Of course, the worst possible news, a reverse stock split. What does that mean? It could suggest there's no deal with Nissan, because if there was, the stock would go up and we wouldn't need to reverse split. Essentially, this is the document that's just been sent in by one of my researchers. Thank you very much indeed. This is from the SEC 14A. We don't need to go through all of it. You can see what it is right at the top of the shop. If we go here, we are talking effective a reversed stock split just in here. This meeting is going to happen next week or so. Reverse stock split on April the 24th. There's a vote, which is a month from now. Now, if the Nissan deal, of course, goes through today or tomorrow, and this was brought out knowing that the deal is about to happen to drive it all down so Nissan can end up buying all the shares for 1 cent, or anybody else that wants to buy the stock. You could look at it like that, but there's a vote for a reverse stock split. Now, it could just simply be that there's a vote happening a month from now, and between now and then the deal goes through, the stock goes up to $1, don't need to do it. What do you think? Because a reverse stock split is never, never good. We're now down at 9 cents. It's collapsed this morning. Awful, awful situation for Fisker this morning. So, what do you think? Are we all about to lose our money, or is the money printer back on again and you can make some money from this? Well, I think you do need to look over these numbers and give great attention to this, because this could prove an opportunity, or it could be an absolute nightmare to touch this right now. So there you go. That's what's happened. We've just received this filing. So what are you doing? Leave me your thoughts below in the comments. I will reply to all of my members. Is this a presentation, brought this information out to drive the stock down, knowing there's a deal going through, and everyone can now buy it. Those that want to, take over the company or buy into the company or invest in the company can buy it at a cheaper price. They know the deal's coming off. Or is it really, this is what's going to happen? We're going to get a reverse split and everyone's getting out. Now, you need to remember, when this sort of information comes out, people always overreact. Always. 100% of the time. People they overbuy and they oversell. Let's be absolutely clear about this right now. People overreact, and let's explain why they overreact. When you get a filing like this, on top of everything else, bankruptcy potential, all the other things that we've been discussing over the last few weeks, when you get all of these things come together, people know the stock price is going to go down. Obviously, a reverse split is bad for the stock. It's not good for the stock. People want to get out the way of it, so they sell it. Of course, then when one person starts selling it, everyone starts selling it. There's an overreaction. There's an opportunity to then buy it lower. So you've got to decide now whether you see this as an opportunity. You believe the deal is going to happen with Fisker. And this is either an opportunity, either manipulation that's driving the price down, knowing there's a deal on the table, or is it an overreaction? Everyone is selling, and everyone has now had enough. I mean, either way, there will be opportunity for this to pop up again. So again, this is not financial advice. I don't own the stock. I only own the S&P. But it'd be interesting to see how you interpret this. This could be opportunity, or it could be, oh my God, 7 cents. Wow, there's not much left now. Let's have a look at what the market cap is now. You can buy the whole company for how much? 69 million. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. So there you go. Leave me your thoughts below. Share the video out. Let everybody know this could be an opportunity now, or it could be absolute suicide. Do as you do. I hope everyone does well. Click above my head, down below in the description. We've got a technical chart analysis today, how to play this. Just been done last night. For this week, and you want to go and check it out. That's coming out in just a few hours from me making this live broadcast. There you go. Let's see people buying it. You can see, there you go, over here and over here. I'll put the video out there. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, bloody hell, look at that. Oy, let's see which way you're playing. Lost 20,000 on FSR, Google ads. Blimey, you saved my life, mate. Raymond Blitz. Fisker, more like finished. Get out while you can. You need to be a gold member on Robinhood to get funds available straight away. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's worth it. I mean, everyone should be a gold member. It's $5. By the way, there's a big Robinhood Gold event happening tomorrow night. I'm going to cover it live, so make sure that you tune in for that. And talking of which, Hood, I need to put that out as well. Thank you for that information, by the way. Really great information there. I'm glad you shared that. That's the benefit. That's the power of our team. Absolutely brilliant. 43. Right. Let me come back to here a minute. A big event tomorrow night. Let me just see if it's in here. Okay, they're not putting it there. Where are they putting it? Right. Okay. Robinhood Gold special event tomorrow night. You don't want to miss it, which is March the 26th after hours. I'll be covering it live. Robinhood have got a very special announcement, or several special announcements to make. I'm guessing it's about the credit card. I think it's called the X1. It's going to be massive for Robinhood. We now know Robinhood is in the UK. Everyone has access to it now. If you want my UK Robinhood and my USA Robinhood referral, you get free stocks. Everyone gets free stocks. Click above my head or down below in the description. But also look below and above my head for the link tomorrow night, which is March 26th for the live event. We're going to cover it live. Robinhood Gold special. I think it's going to be about the credit card and so on. I'm very excited about that because basically Robinhood already replaces my bank. I don't use a bank at all now. All my money is here. If I can now have a credit card rather than using my Bank of America credit card, which is 3%, and my Amazon at 5%, because I think Robinhood are going to do the same thing, all from one place, it makes sense to me. And we're going to learn about that, I'm expecting, tomorrow night. So join us for the Robinhood Gold event. Above my head, down below in the description, and I'll put over here as well. You want to join me for that? The studio is gold, and I think we're going to have a golden event with Robinhood tomorrow night. Very exciting. I still believe that Robinhood is a 3x from here. I did say a 4x when it was down around about the 12. We're now getting to about a 3x. Great. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Wow, said Sid. Yes, indeed. Just sold 385,000 shares. Wow. You said last week to buy FSR. I didn't say to buy anything. I don't give financial advice. I've never told anyone, Maximilian, please don't say that. I've never told anyone to buy any stock. That is absolutely untrue. I don't tell anyone to buy any stock. So please don't say that. You're not one of my members. It's not true at all. 385,000 shares with Sana. Good morning to you. With who? I think he's talking about Fisker. We're talking about Fisker this morning. We've just put out a special bulletin about the filing, which will come out later on this morning. Martyn, this have a business plan update today, something to keep an eye on, and see whether any news on FSI is mentioned. C95, yes, indeed. Become a member of our channel, and if you get it first, you become one of our researchers. There's the membership link there. Make sure you do. I'm buying some. Crag is buying it. Crag thinks it's an opportunity. Is it an overreaction? Is it the chance to buy this? I wouldn't call it a dip. I'd call it a crash. Is it an opportunity? Well, the filing is telling us what the intention is, not what they're going to do. So maybe. I just bought thousands, many more shares last week in FSR. What a cruddy Monday morning. Easy to trade at these levels and keep doubling all the way to 1 cent. I do believe there's opportunity to trade this, but it's very, very risky stuff, though. It was already done this morning. No news on Fisker partnership from Nissan. Hi, Martyn. How are you doing, and how many subscribers are you on? How many subscribers am I on? If you look below the video, if you look here, look. If you look on the video, you can always see how many subscribers I've got. It says 20.3. So you know it's 20,000, because the K, 20,300 something. 300 something. 20,300 something. But I presume that you want to know what the something is, right? So I shall give you what the something is. The answer is 382. We were at 20,000 4 days ago, and we are now at 382. So over 1,000 subscribers a week. We're doubling our growth. It's incredible how fast the channel is growing. I cannot believe it, and thank you enough for that. Fisker deal ends with large automaker. Tobias, what do you mean? Mer is Martini racer. Maybe he wants a car company. He does like cars. I can't imagine a company like Fisker going under. There has to be a deal in the works from a major automaker, SM416. Well, don't be surprised. Anything can fail. 80% of these companies that are around today, these penny stocks, will not be here in 5 years. That's just a statistic. Scary as it is, it's a fact. I don't expect a deal. What do they do? The big boys can't. I'm not sure what that means, Kevin Schools. We've all been fiskered. FSR crashed into 7 cents. Yes, it did. What happened? What happened was, I've got the news item. It will be out later on this morning. We've just shown you a filing for intent for a reverse split. And I will be putting that video out later on today. So look out for that. Okay, look out for that. It'll be out literally as soon as we get into 15 minutes of the show. I will end this show and get it out. Is anyone here invested in crypto miners? No, I haven't. We've moved one step towards our own crypto coin as well. We've been researching that and feel confident that's going to happen. All my members who've been a member for a while are going to know about it before anybody else. One of the perks that I will make my members who've been a member for a while aware of it before it comes out, so you get the best price as well. Okay. Tobias negotiates a termination agreement from large automaker 3 minutes ago. Street Insider Fisker received negotiations termination agreement from large automaker. I don't have any evidence of that, Tobias. If you become a member of our channel, you can then send that in via Discord, and we can verify it. I've got no verification of that. None of my researchers have said the Nissan deal is over. I had an itchy whisker for Fisker, but I missed. Now I'm... There we go, Triquet. I wish we had Robinhood in Canada. You will soon. I made 1,009 euros because of you. I always watch your products. Let's go Tilray and Canopy. We need to talk about Canopy as well. I've been asked to do Canopy as well, not just Tilray. I'm glad you made some money. Fantastic. Take the profit, though. Don't lose it. Tilray was obvious. We put it out there. It was obvious it was going to do well. You should now take some profit, though. I would say. It's not financial advice, of course. Good morning, Martin. Time for a nice, refreshing cup of tea. I look around the room. I'm waiting for Leah to bring one in. There's nothing at the moment. But anyway, yeah. Told you with the wars on, you're going to lose money. Told you, says Bill. You're going to lose money with the war on. Well, that's not true. More millionaires and billionaires are created during times of war than any other time. So to say we're all going to lose money because there's a war on is not the case. Statistically, more millionaires and billionaires are created during wars than any other time. Happened in World War I, happened in World War II. Always opportunity somewhere. James, Bill, how do you do? Great to see Bill back, isn't it? Street Insider, Fisker, FSR received negotiations termination agreement from Tobias, you've sent that again. I want verification of it. Good morning, Yardstick. Does anyone have an inclination on what could derail Bitcoin hitting 100,000? Sensei Crypto is the one to talk to. Anna DW, did you watch Sensei's show on Sunday? I hope you joined in. With that. It was a very, very good show, and all the information was there. Good morning, James. I bought Fisker at $9 and sold 38. Wow. Really? You bought at $9 and you've just sold now 385,000. Wow. Okay. That's a huge trade. Good morning, Crag. Good morning to you. I'm buying some too, alive by nightfall. Scalp only for me, not a long hold. I'm holding my FSR. I got in cheap. Wrap is pushing their earnings date again. March 28th. They've told me it's March 28th. They have told me, I've spoken to JD, Scott Cohen, CEO, and they've told me that they are doing the event on March 28th. If that's the case, I will find out and get an update today. Thanks for letting me know. I will call them again. In fact, I will. No, I'm not just going to. I'm going to not just call them straight away. I'll do it at the end of the show. Get Real, promoting FSR content for 2 weeks and multiple times.
Paul Hudson has become a member.
Paul Hudson just become a member. Martin, Get Real. What do you mean? Promoting FSR? I'm not promoting anything. I'm making content. I create content to give people information, entertain, share my thoughts, allow a community to come together. This isn't promoting anything. I mean, if by default more people get to see it, is that promoting something? I'm not pushing it. I'm not trying to advertise. I'm not advertising it. I'm not sponsored by anyone. No one pays me to sit here. I'm not telling anyone to buy it. Anyway, 2 weeks and multiple times stating that viewers could have made 50% profit buying FSR. Well, you could have done. That's a fact. That's a fact. That happened twice. That's a fact. That's an absolute fact. If you missed that and didn't do that, well, sorry, but the facts are you could have made that money. That's an 100% fact. That isn't a debate. That actually happened before it shot up to 20. If that's not financial advice, then we need to reevaluate the definition. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm bringing the news. I'm bringing the facts. And the facts are you could have made money. No doubt about it. If you didn't trade it and didn't buy it, well, that's up to you. The bell has now gone. It's 8:30 in the morning, and let's see where we're going. It's time for the stock race. Let's see what's happening this morning. Here we go. The overall portfolio is down today. I am down in the S&P alone. That's the only stock I hold. I don't own or manipulate or pump or dump anything. Let's go for all our trades. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's down. The overall portfolio is down. Virgin Galactic is up today but pulling back. Palantir is down, moving up. Gold is up 0.44. S&P is down today at 0.27. Amazon going down. Apple going down 170. Wow, we've had a week of this now. Down 1.5 over the month now. Apple over the month now is down. Come on, 12% over the last 3 months. Wow, look at Apple going down. Next Era Energy up today. Enphase Energy going down, $113 now. Coca-Cola up. J&J is moving up. Kenvue is up. Chevron is up 0.81. Tesla is down 170 but come back up again. Coming up quickly. Might turn green. Rivian down 1.29. McDonald's going down. Google going down. Microsoft going down. Walmart up today. Tilray down 2.56. I just said take profits. Hope you all took profits. Robinhood, the big event tomorrow night. IonQ moving up. Rocket Lab going up. Plug Power moving up. The overall portfolio is moving up now. Rumble coming back. Funware up. FFIE 12 cents. Rio Tinto up 1.37. Bitcoin is down 0.5%. Matic is down 0.46. XRP down 0.91. FSR is now down at 9. It did touch 7. It's pulled back a bit. It was down as much as 30%. It's now just gained 5%. Okay. Holding and scalp on FSR for me too. I'm still holding a bag of PSNY. I have to say Polestar positive. So please, some of the viewers were influenced by your coverage to buy FSR at the bottom pricing, you can't say you never gave financial advice. Indirectly, yes, by covering the stock and giving price targets. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. So you're giving financial advice by saying the very opposite then, right? I mean, if it applies to me, it applies to you. All right? It doesn't make any sense. Wrap changing earnings release date. The OEM terminated the deal. That's why I'm the crashing nail in the coffin. We've got no verification of that. We need to get verification of that. It's always action stations when trading stocks and crypto. And your viewers stated that they made X amount of dollars from following your thoughts. That is financial advice. Martin, you're talking nonsense. Have you missed the Fisker news on Fisker? The buyer has pulled out. No, we just covered it all live on the show. Breakfast bar. Okay, go to the breakfast bar. Links for YouTube. Nothing in links. Oh, hang on. Yes, it is. Okay. We've got more information just coming in. Let me have a look. Vaz, this Crag for the breakfast bar. Please put links for YouTube. I like the Lucas coin. I like it. Links for YouTube. Just bear with me a second. We're trying to get some more information about this. Let me have a look.
Seabury has become a member.
Right then, I'm going to come back to the members in a moment. No mention of FSR. Partnering FSR could give them, what's that there? North America. A YouTube video. Okay, no, I've got no confirmation yet about the deal not gone through. Your researches aren't great. Took me 30 seconds to find it 30 minutes ago. James H., we had it 30 minutes ago. Before you were here, we put the news out 30 minutes ago, right at the top of the show. So the researchers are great. We put the news out, already delivered the information over half an hour ago. Yeah, we have done that. Should I sell my FSR? I don't know. All I'm doing is presenting the facts. It's in Yahoo about it not going ahead with Nissan. I do not have that in. It is here. Let's have a look. Okay, I've got the 8K filing. Thank you, Sensei. We've got an update now. Here we go. An update. This is what time is it? It is 1 hour 58. No, that's not right. I've not been live that long. Hang on a minute. 102. 1.02. FSR news. Okay, here we go. Just got the filing. Thank you very much. Indeed. Okay, here we go. Fisker. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's change it to there. Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. We've just got the news we were dreading. It did look like that this morning from the first video that we put out about the potential and the vote for a reverse split, which did indicate perhaps the deal had not gone through. And now we've got the confirmation that the deal has not gone through. Nissan is not investing in Fisker. What does that mean? Well, that means there's going to be a reverse split. The vote will go through in about a month's time. There's nothing they can do. They have to reverse split. They cannot stay under $1 for long. They'll be delisted, and then if they're delisted, the whole thing's over. This was the information just out. This is the official document This is the Form 8K filing. If we scroll down, this has just come out, this, in fact, was reported on March the 22nd. We have just found out about it, though, as the market opened this morning. Let's have a look. We scroll down here, keep on going. Here we go. After the market closed on March the 22nd, which was on Friday, the FISCA received notice from the large automaker with which the company had been in negotiations for a potential transaction that the automaker terminated the negotiations. Following such termination, the company continues to evaluate strategic alternatives. Such alternatives may include in or out of court restructurings, capital market transactions, repurchases, redemptions, exchanges, and so on and so forth. All right. As a result of the termination of discussions with the automaker, the company will not be able to meet a closing condition of the financing commitment and term sheet the company entered into with the investor on March 18th, 2024. As a result of the inability to meet such closing condition, the company intends to engage in discussions with the investor regarding a waiver of such closing condition, or alternatively, having the investor provide financing for the company on different terms. These alternatives involve significant uncertainties, and there can be no assurance that any of these discussions will be successful or that any funds will be available to the company under the commitment. Okay, so basically the deal has not gone through with Nissan. It doesn't say it's Nissan, but that's what we would assume that to mean. So we now have the confirmation on Friday night after hours. Remember, this stock does trade 24 hours. I've always given that information. However, we can't access it 24 hours a day. Only a few people can. So we didn't know about that until this morning. I've just seen that, just sent in. Thank you very much to my team for sending that in. The stock price has gone down this morning. You could have made money from it this morning, however. It went down as low as 7 and it's touched 9. So there's been a few sort of 10, 15% bounces there this morning. There will be money made out of this. People will scalp trade this. However, it does look like we're going to get a reverse split. That isn't good, but it's not all over yet. Again, as I repeat, this is not financial advice. This is just the facts of what's going on. I don't own the stock. I don't pump or dump stock. I only own the S&P. I'm just bringing the facts. And there it is. So we do have a full chart analysis of this stock, just been done by Sensei Crypto. It's coming out as I'm making this video live. It's coming out in a couple of hours from now, and hopefully you'll look at it and decide how you're going to play this. But click above my head for all the links down below in the description, and I'll put the chart and the other information about the reverse split as well over here. So go and check that out. In the meantime, as you can see right now, some exchanges have halted, not Robinhood, but some exchanges have halted trading due to excessive volatility. That's there to protect the market, because if everyone sold at the same time, you can't pay out. You have to be responsible to do that. Robinhood feel they can manage it at the moment. They have not done that, but others have. Okay, above my head, down below in the description, check out the extra channel. It just got an upgrade today. We do have a few technical issues with it at the moment, but we are running on the 24-hour extra channel as well, so people can talk in between the shows, but we just don't have things quite right yet. There's a few technical issues there, but we are working them out. All right, so there you go. What a sad day today. Nissan deal is off. Reverse split is being voted upon. Can't really not vote for it. If you don't vote for it, the stock will just be delisted. So it's just a procedure, really. Anyway, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Thank you, Sensei, for sending that in. Appreciate it. Market Watch Fisker says, will the automaker have it ended? Yep, it's done. Fisker was up 16% overnight and now 30% down. Wow. Yep. Obviously, they knew about it and now it's been dumped. I bought I bought one share, Mr. Mankey. I put a link to the Fisker article on Stock News, and we've just covered it. There's an 8K. Yep, we've just done it. Bill says space to $100 by Christmas. 3 Christmases ago when it was 31. I don't think there will be any deal, since anything they can do can be done by the big boys unless they want some more factories. And it's all over. There's no ifs and buts about that. Sorry, not sure to send you links of new articles. Right, let me welcome our new members and explain how this works. Okay, we used to explain all the perks and benefits. There are so many perks and benefits now. What I do is point you to a video. All right, it explains it easier. So if you become a member, here is the link to become a member. Right there, click on that link. If you are on an iPhone, and it's only an iPhone, you'll have to select a browser and desktop version. The reason for this is Apple tried to take commission out of Google. That's why. Every other device works fine, and it soon will get fixed, I believe. But right now, you have to do it through a browser if you're on your iPhone. Once you become a member, you have many, many perks, and here are all the perks. And you need to watch this video all the way through. Take the time to watch it. There's no ads on it. Go and watch it. It will tell you how to get on Discord and how to send in links and be a researcher for our team. Very, very important. Okay, essentially what you do, but you do need to go and watch this. Here is the Discord link. Click on the Discord link. Then send me an invite. Send me an invite, a friend request, and make sure that you might spell my name correctly. It's in the chat for you right now, Martyn Lucas, MartynLucas. No underscores, no extra numbers. People will try to pretend to be me. All right, please spell it correctly. Then please share, and this is really important. I won't chase you because it's just too much. Please share your Discord username in the YouTube chat or below any video on YouTube, because your badge comes up. If you comment on any video, I will know it's you. I will know you're a member. Put your Discord username. Once you've got Discord and once you've sent me a friend request, put your Discord username. I will then go to Discord, accept your friend request, upgrade you, and then you get all the benefits. But please watch that video because it will explain all the perks and benefits to you. You might be missing some of the perks. So let me go to Discord now. There were a few people over the weekend who became members who have not yet upgraded and got all their benefits. So make sure that you do watch this entire video. There's no ads on it. Just watch it for your information. Okay, there it is again. Okay. Sorry, not sure how to send links. Tobias, I've given you the information, but you need to be a member of our channel. If you're not a member, you can't send links. Okay, it's for our members only. So Jarrett Sabri has just become a member. Please welcome Jarrett Sabri. And we also had Paul Hudson also become a member. Oh, he's now 2 months. 2 months he's been a member. Jarrett Sabri has got his bronze badge. Right, we are getting very busy in the chat. I am missing out answering everyone's questions. It's important that I answer everyone's questions. So we are going members only right now. If you want to have your say and you can't now, you can on the extra channel. All right, so let me go members only. There we go. Now I won't miss any of the members now. If you want to comment and ask a question, here is the 24-hour stream running for you right now. There it is. I'll give you the link, and that is open to everyone. Everyone can comment. We are having some technical difficulties on there at the moment. There's a bit of background noise, but I'm working on it, and I think it's a cable issue. At least I hope it is. But anyway, hopefully we'll get that fixed. All right. Paul became a member. He's back at. He's just renewed his membership. Tobias, links would have to be sent through Discord as YouTube don't allow. That's right. That's absolutely right. Good luck, everyone. If you listen to people on stream without doing your own research, that's your own fault. Absolutely right. All we do is present the facts. What you do is what you do. Feeling upset, losing over £3 million. What do I do? Right. Okay. I don't really think that's true. You've got a name here which isn't a real name, and you've lost £3 million. We're members only because we don't want clowns, trolls, bots. We want to help real people, and we don't want people talking nonsense. I don't believe that for a moment. Hi, Martin. Here you go on FSR. It's on Markets Watch. We got that now. Morning all. Martin, is this one of your songs? What, the Phoenix? No, it's not. Crypto, go, let's get them. Ed Nevius. Fernellis, good morning to you. Next, Martin, alive by nightfall. Martin's content is part of the research. Duh. Martin, we got somebody here who's not really being very helpful. Come on, Martin. What you're saying is not very helpful. Martin, can you explain when you have a moment, AQST closing its previously announced underwritten public offering of 16 shares, 16 million offering? What do you mean? Can you explain when you have a moment, AQST closing its previously announced underwritten? I need more information. I'm not sure of the question. Send it Discord with the context. I don't understand the question. Looks like only fans. Here I come. I lost 100,000 FSR. Got on the dumb. Oh dear, oh dear. Where's Crusher? Where else do we get stock info if not from news outlets like Martin's channel? He's a news outlet that claims to present unbiased, objective facts. I do present unbiased, objective facts. That's absolutely right. I present the facts. You're absolutely right. I don't own the stock. I don't dump the stock. I don't pump the stock. The information is provided by research. It all comes in from our team, and we alert you. That doesn't then say you should go and buy the stock because there's some good news or bad news. How you trade your stock is up to you. And I will be absolutely clear. I've been doing this now for nearly 3 years. I started at $5,000 and I'm now up to $73,000. So I must be doing something right. Okay. I'm not doing options. I'm not doing shorts, and I'm making money all the time. So there you go. So should be credible source of information unless that's no longer true. Should be a source, a credible source. Well, all the information we bring in, we study. Some information is not useful, but it manipulates the stock. For example, when Marcus Brownlee spoke, he doesn't know what he's talking about. He's not a professional car reviewer. However, when you have millions of subscribers to your YouTube channel, it affects the stock price because people get fearful. So that information, as uncredible as it was, still needed to be reported because it affects the market. There we go. Jarrett Sabri became a member. Jarrett, please go and watch your introductory video to tell you about all the things that you need to become a member. Okay? Don't miss any of that. Fisker is pretty much done after that terrible review. You're talking about the deal coming off or not coming off. K8 says OEM terminated deal. Hello all, by the way. Hello, Buckaroony. How are you? Fowler Holt. I have posted already. We just covered that. The deal was terminated. Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't being rude, but I was watching you talk about the reverse split when we could see the other news and you were missing it. I was trying to help all not. No, that's okay, James. I don't think you're being rude. It's important for me, though, to answer every question. So, as I said before, some people come in for just a moment. They miss bits. So I answer every question, even if it is, there's a bit of a delay for you. I do go for every question. FSR is just delisted. No, FSR is not delisted. That is not correct. FSR is not delisted. If it was delisted, we wouldn't be looking at it. So FSR is not delisted. Okigen going, thanks for letting me know whoever inquired it. Kevin B. It was PK from the UK. Good morning. I'm getting through all these questions. It's members only now, so I don't miss anything. Good morning all. FSR, I think it means, halted. No longer being sold. No, that is not correct. That is not correct, Bill. Look here. Some exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted trading. So Fisker is not halted and no longer being sold. Some exchanges, it's and it's not being sold. It's not been delisted. It's temporarily on some brokerages halted. That happens all the time when stocks are volatile. It's not the same as being delisted. Okay, completely different. All right. Some exchanges, not Robinhood. Okay, so it's not been delisted, and it's not, you can't trade it anymore. Is Fisker bust? No, but probably will be. Good morning, Bill. Hi, Mike. FSA not bust. No deal though. Correct. You need to be clear about the facts. Morning, James. Hope all is well. Robinhood won't sell my Fisker. Robinhood won't sell my Fisker. It says here that Robinhood have not halted. You can sell your Fisker. Can we switch to the good news of Luna? Of course we can. LUNR. LUNR. Intuitive Machines up 1.8 this morning. What happens when Fisker, now it's on hold? What happens when Fisker, FSR, now it's on hold? Some brokerages have paused, not Robinhood. If you are on Robinhood, you can sell your shares. Okay? If you are on other brokerages, now we've got someone here saying Robinhood won't sell my shares. They are not saying they are halted, so I don't know why you're having problems there. Micron. Yes, Martin. Wrap owes an explanation regarding this earnings please confusion, especially after it seemed the fundamentals and business has turned. Yes, I agree, Rob Terrell. Let me call Wrap for you right now. All right, let me call Wrap for you right now. JD. I'm speaking to the CEO and the secretary to the CEO as well. Right, let me share with you a wrap update. This is very, very important, okay? Let me give you a wrap update. So, wrap. You are saying there's no earnings, okay? So what we're going to do is going to call the company directly. I've got a direct line. 123. Okay, here we go. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Wrap Technologies, ticker symbol RWRAP. Now, for those of you who don't know, I have a direct line with Scott Cohen and the secretary, JD, at the company. I have a good relationship with them. I'm talking to them. And you can see here on March the 7th, a few days ago, is this correct? There's a March the 28th earnings. And they replied, yes, this is correct. This is correct and confirmed. And then I asked about them calling in, and JD replied, this is on Wednesday, just a couple of days ago, like five days ago. Hope all is well. We're in quiet period at the moment, but once we're able to, we'd love to set up something to come on the show again. When we're able to, we will check in after earnings. So on Wednesday, just 5 days ago, they were still saying the earnings is on Wednesday, on the 28th, which is in 3 days from now, which will be Wednesday. So what I'm going to do now, your concern, and I understand your concern because it's moved again, hi JD, I'm doing this live on the show. This is direct with the company, direct with the CEO. Hi JD, he's secretary with Scott Cohen. Has the earnings been cancelled? Okay, you wanted to know. I'm doing this live in this video. Has the earnings been cancelled? Thank you, Martin. All right, there you go. I have just asked the question. Hi JD, has the earnings either the way, I'm doing it live. Has the earnings been cancelled? Thank you, Martin. I apologize for my grammar, but I'm trying to do it live during the show. If I get a response, which I will do, I will report back to you. But apparently they've cancelled their earnings. That's a concern, as it's been moved a couple of times. It does, worry people. So let me just look and show you where the stock price is at the moment. And we can see how it's been reflected in this news this morning. Here we go. Wrap is now down at 218. Let's scroll down. Available March the 28th. It's not changed here. I don't have any confirmation to say it's been cancelled. Wrap would let me know. There may be some information because some of you are finding it from somewhere, but I want to speak directly with the company and find out for you. So there you go. Let's wait for a response from JD and Scott Cohen and see what we have as far as are the earnings concerned with Wrap Technologies. Click above my head, down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll put more information that you might find interesting. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. All right. Let me see if I can get them on the phone as well. I'm just calling JD now. JD, hi, good morning. This is Martyn Lucas. Could you let me know, my viewers and your investors are concerned, has the earnings for Wrap been cancelled or moved again? If you give me any information, that would be good. People are very concerned, understandably, this morning. Perhaps you could let me know. Cheers. Give me a text back or call, whichever you like. I'm live on air at the moment.
Schultzer has
Speak to you in a bit.
become a
Cheers.
member.
Bye-bye. All right, there you go. There's a direct message directly to Wrap Technologies. Chris Schultz, good morning, brand new member. Please do watch this video. This will tell you all about all of your perks all the way through. There's no ads. Make sure you do. It'll tell you how to get on the Discord. It'll tell you all the perks and benefits and everything. There is the why and how video. Make sure that you watch that. It's important. Otherwise, you won't know how to get on the Discord. Right. Let me just check Discord a moment. I do have a direct message. A friend request. Okay. Paul, I've got an incoming friend request. Again, I don't know what that is. You've got to put your username in the chat. If you are Paul on Discord, I need to know who you are. Please watch that video. It's so important. I've made it as easy as I can. So I can't chase you. I do the best I can, but you have to follow the, do all the right things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a message, Discord friend request. Okay, I don't know who Paul is. No idea. So, Paul, I'm going to send you a message. But I can't accept the friend request, okay? Okay. All right, I've sent you a friend. I've replied to you, and also make it right as well. There's two there that have come in today, and again, I don't know who you are. You need to make sure that you follow all the steps. Right. The important thing, in my opinion, that some miss is what the trade plan before you got in. What was the risk? Always have a plan. Again, it's like playing chess. Always. Always, always, always tell people that this is not a game of checkers. It's a game of chess. Fisker, it's down at 8 cents. Good luck, Wes. Foxo taking off. Good morning, all. Trading halted. FSR. Morning. Seth Houston. Trading is halted on Robinhood for FSR. Saying here it's not. Look. I can set up a buy. I'm not sure when you say you can't. Thanks, Jason and James. FSR Charles Schwab has halted market orders, but limit orders are available. There you go. Just bought more wrap. Radiant smile. Don't chase it. Wait for the drop. Clearly, if it goes, if it was good news, they would be messing. They'd be messing about. They would not be messing about. Vincent Vosbill. Radiant smile is young enough to come back from mistakes. Rob Terrell, they say annual reports are not completed. Could be due to audit not being completed for annual report. They issued a press release. Just hope RAP can stay above 1. Chris Schultz became a member. Chris, please watch that introductory video and follow all the steps. Get all the perks and the benefits that you can now have. Hey, Martin, I'm driving. Will you do a quick check for Fisker's total debt? I don't have all that information to hand, Yardstick, I'm afraid. Should not chase a stock too much. Well, I'm down 400 on my FSR. No more random investments for me. I am going to start paying attention. Yes. Right. I am looking at this morning of buying more of the S&P 500. It did drop a bit. I'm down 0.25%. I'm not looking to buy just yet. I've got $99,000 to spend though. There you go. You can see there's 98,009, just under 99. But I'm going to wait for another drop. Okay, now then, what I need to do now is we've got this very important news to get out for Pfizer, VLD, Tilray, Space, charts done, the FSR news, the Robinhood news, and the RAP news. I've also got reviews to do as well. So your chart looks a little Texas. Oh, it does, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. You're right. Yeah, it does. Looks like a little Texas. Yeah, you're right. But overall, though, if we go to this year, if we go to the 1 year, it's looking pretty good, isn't it? So there you go. All fine. Back to the day. Where are we? Okay, let's go back to Virgin. So we're going to end the show now. I've got to get these videos out. They're very timely for this morning. Now, what we've got now, we've got a new service. There is a technical issue with the sound at the moment. It's not perfect, but I'm working on it. So what I'm going to do now is end this stream, get these videos out, and then I'm going to come back early and start doing reviews. There's 4 reviews I would like to do for you today. So I'm going to come back early with the opening bell. Sorry, with the closing bell. All right. So what I'm going to do now is send you all automatically. You don't have to do anything to this, to the 24-hour stream. That way you can talk to each other, update each other with news, information, support each other, and so on and so forth. All right. So let me do that now. This this live show will go directly to that live broadcast. This is what it is over here. We've just upgraded the 24-hour stream. It's much better than it was before, but there's an audio issue now, which I'm working on. I'll also give you the link for it if it makes it easier for you here in the chat. All right, there's a couple of times there so you can see it. I'm also going to give it to my guests on Rumble and also my guests on Facebook as well. There you go. So everyone's got the information. So we're going to go here now. This will keep you informed. Everybody will chat. If you do find an issue with the audio, just turn the volume down or mute it. There's a bit of a crackle going on, but I am working on it. Okay, it's a new service, and you can now see a lot more behind the scenes. You'll see me on the phone to people, talking to people, finding out stuff. I'm also going to put these videos out that we've just done the charts for this week. Sensei provided. I'm going to put those out now as well. So I'm going to leave you now, and then I'll be back early, much earlier than normal for the closing bell to do these reviews. We've got three or four reviews coming this morning. Right, just before I go, I've got a couple of questions. Look at general chit chat. It's what Fisker shows during trading on Robinhood. Let's have a look. General chit chat. Fractional shares are currently position closing only. Fractional shares. There you go. So you can sell if you obviously when a stock is only like 7 cents. Fractional shares are currently position closing only. Fractional shares. So there is something going on here, obviously. Thank you for sharing that in, Rallo1. I really appreciate that's great information. Thank you very much indeed. Space has been very quiet. This you need to sing. Is there anybody out there in space for them, Martin? No Delta diary and no news on next flight. Hope there's no delay. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. That's going down as well. When the price is where it is, I think it's time they gave us the news. I agree. Absolutely right. I think Virgin Galactic are trying to drive it down. Like I said to you before, look at what Eric Kearney's doing. He's paid in stock options. The more that they get more shares. Basically, I think it's terrible what's going on there. They could easily promote this. It's been successful. It shouldn't be this cheap. It's way undervalued now. And even institutions aren't snapping it up. It's great shame. Great shame. Anyway, there it is. So, all right. Hopefully now you'll all join me on the 24-hour stream. If there is a sound issue, just turn the volume down. But there I can update you with any breaking news, what's going on. But I'm going to end the stream now because I've got to get these videos out about what's been happening this morning with... Make It Right. Fantastic. Make It Right has given me his username. That's what I've been waiting for. That's what I've been waiting for. Make It Right. Where are you commenting that? I don't see in the chat. That's kind of weird. I don't see in the chat. Make It Right. There you are. Right. Okay, I can upgrade you now. Thank you very much indeed. Make it right. Yep, that's you. I've sent you the friend request. Go and accept that. If you go and accept the friend request, please make sure it's me and not anybody else. Check the username. Okay. There you go. I can now come into the... this is what I'm doing. I can now come into members. Search for you. Make it right. Give you a role. Member. Make it right is the same name on YouTube. So we know it's the same person. Yeah. Make it right. Roles. Change nickname. It needs to be the same as it is on YouTube. Exactly the same. There you go. Done. All done. Okay. Make it right. We're all done. You can now access all the channels, send links in, get all the information from Ed Nevius and all the other great things that you want to do. Okay. We're all up to date. Fantastic. Make it right. You're all good. Right, that's it. I think I've covered all the comments. Fantastic. All right, I've got to get off. The stock is, the markets are coming back up again now. I didn't buy the dip this morning. It's not low enough. So join me on the 24-hour stream. News coming out. I'll be back early with the reviews as well. And this is the new service. Let me give you the link. If there is an audio issue, as there's a bit of crackling, just turn the volume down if you can. It's not too bad, but it's not what I like, really. There it is. Okay. I'm going to end the stream now, get this news out, and I'll be back early with the reviews, okay? So join me in the 24-hour stream. It's just had an upgrade now. Much better than it was last week, but there's still more to do. All right? Okay, see you all back in a bit. I'll be back as quick as I can to do the live reviews, but I just need to put this information out first. So there we go. As always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. Join us now, support each other on the 24-hour stream, and I'll be back as soon as possible. Don't go away. Bye-bye for now.